Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This deep fryer units, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's length, about like 15.5 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like 30 inches. Also, the overall heights, they are almost about like 43 and 3/4 inches tall. So we can see the units manufactured off of the two baskets inside, and we can just lid it on top. They have a holding hinge on top of it, and when we open the door at the bottoms, we can see the units coming with the ETL sanitation sticker informations, all the cat sheet diagram information too, and this for the clean all the oil inside. You can just tweeze it. It's a faucet. And we can see they do having the 1, 2, 3 burners inside and the temperature adjuster right here. And on back, we can see the manufacturer of the exhaust system on behind of the units. And for this hose, it is about like 3.5 inches deep. And the widest parts is almost about like 14 inches. And we can take a look closer to see the burner space. They come in with the two baskets. Also, the manufacturer give you some accessories, screws, and this is a pipe connection for you to clean all the oils inside. When you open the bottom doors, they have a connection for these parts. For the baskets, it is about like 6.5 inches wide, about 13 and 1/4 inches long, and the almost about like 5.5 inches deep. And that's what will be the all demonstration information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.